Good morning children. सुप्रभात मुलांनो. Today is Friday, 7th August 2020. आज वार शुक्रवार 7 ऑगस्ट 2020. Thought for the day is practice makes man perfect. You can be perfect and expert in anything if you practice. Practice makes man perfect is saying which tells us the importance of continuous practice in any subject to learn anything. There is no substitute for hard work and success. Only continuous practice can help a person to achieve the target. आजचा सुविचार. सराव माणसाला परिपूर्ण बनवतो. कोणतीही गोष्ट शिकण्यासाठी सतत सराव करणे आवश्यक आहे. यश मिळवण्यासाठी खूप मेहनत ही करावीच लागते. ज्या गोष्टीत आपल्याला परिपूर्ण व्हायचे आहे त्या गोष्टीत सतत सराव केला तर आपण त्यामध्ये परिपूर्ण होऊ शकतो. आपले ध्येय गाठण्यासाठी माणसाला सातत्यपूर्ण सरावाची मदतच होते. इम्पॉर्टन्स ऑफ द डे. डेथ एनिव्हर्सरी ऑफ गुरुदेव रवींद्रनाथ टागोर 1941. Rabindranath Tagore was a Bengali poet, writer, composer and painter. Our national anthem Jana Gana Mana was written by Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. He had started a school in Bolpur in Bengal. The school was held in the midst of green trees, colorful flowers, chirping birds under the blue sky. The school was called Shanti Niketan. Students were taught to sing and dance. They were taught arts and crafts also. Rabindranath Tagore was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1913. आजचा दिनविशेष. गुरुदेव रवींद्रनाथ टागोर यांचा स्मृतिदिन 1941. रवींद्रनाथ टागोर हे थोर साहित्यिक, कवी, संगीतकार व चित्रकार होते. जनगणमन हे राष्ट्रगीत गुरुदेव रवींद्रनाथ टागोरांनी रचले आहे. त्यांनी बंगालमध्ये बोलपूर येथे एक शाळा सुरू केली. हिरवीगार झाडे, रंगीबिरंगी फुले, किलबिलणारे पक्षी, निळे आकाश अशा परिसरात ही शाळा भरायची. या शाळेचे नाव शांती निकेतन. ही शाळा झाडाखाली भरायची. या शाळेत गायन, नृत्य, हस्तव्यवसाय शिकवायची. रवींद्रनाथ टागोर यांचा गीतांजली हा काव्यसंग्रह प्रसिद्ध आहे. त्यांना 1913 साली साहित्य क्षेत्रातील नोबल या पुरस्काराने सन्मानित करण्यात आले. टुडेज व्हॅल्यू नीटनेस. आजचे मूल्य नीटनेटकेपण. जनरल नॉलेज. नेम्स ऑफ फेमस पोएट्स. आजचे सामान्य ज्ञान. प्रसिद्ध कवींची नावे. गजानन दिगंबर माडगुळकर, मंगेश पाडगावकर, शांता शेळके, विंदा करंदीकर, नारायण सुर्वे. Now it's a story time. The beautiful handwriting. Once upon a time, in a small village in Maharashtra, there lived a boy called Balaji. Though his parents were poor, they sent him to school. Balaji worked sincerely and concentrated on his studies. But he was forgetful. He could not remember anything. The more he studied, the more he forgot. But Balaji had beautiful handwriting. So he decided to work hard to further improve his handwriting. Gradually, his hard work paid, and his writing became more and more beautiful. his teachers said to him, "Your handwriting is becoming more beautiful." Balaji was encouraged by these comforting words from his teachers. His handwriting became very beautiful and artistic. He used to console himself, "I am the best in at least one field. My handwriting is the best." This was during the time of Shivaji's rule. At that time, there were no printing presses, so everything, including books, was written by hand. There were experts who were specially appointed to write scripts. They were called writers. Shivaji Maharaj, of course, had a writer in his court. Yet, he was in search of another person who could write even more beautifully. He asked his chief minister to search far and wide for the best writer. The chief minister traveled all over the kingdom and collected the handwritings of at least 7 good writers. He himself, however, found Balaji's writing to be the most beautiful of all. The chief minister returned to the capital and gave the samples of handwritings to Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj minutely observed all the handwritings and found Balaji's writing to be the best. So, Balaji was appointed as the personal writer for Shivaji Maharaj. Balaji's hard work paid off. Moral of the story is, hard work is always rewarded. Today's activity: write any one poem in good handwriting. आजचा उपक्रम: कोणतीही एक कविता सुंदर हस्ताक्षरात लिहा.